Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can bend text on Canva. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into the video. To bend text, firstly add some text to your screen. Now after you added the text, you can select the text and head over to effects. Now if you scroll down, you can see an option called curve. Click on this option. Now, as soon as you click on this option, you will see text has started to bend. Now you can increase the curve of this by moving this toggle. If you want to bend it more, you can increase the number. If you want to bend it this way, you can decrease it and give this a negative number. You can apply this curve to any text, not only the text that you type, but the text that is also added in the templates of any of the files that is available here. So that's how you can bend text on Canva. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, can give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.